Don't you want me, baby? Don't you want my Fauxtato? Fauxtato? What the heck does that mean anyway?
Roll the intro.
What is up, my keto friends? And you know exactly who you are. My name's Byron Dice.
And I'm Susan Dice.
My lovely wife, of course. Welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to live a simple keto lifestyle, do me a favor. Just drop down below the video, click the red subscribe button, move a little bit over to the left or right, not sure what it is here, but there's a little bell. Click the bell and then click all notifications so you do not miss anything on this great keto channel. Now, what do you get? I was going to say, what do you get when you cross a potato and a keto person? You get nothing, because you can't have it. But here's one thing you will not find at a keto convention. Potato salad. You won't find that.
Do they have stuff like that at keto conventions?
Well, I'm sure they got a big spread of something. You know, like Zombo Wombo. They're probably there with a table. We'll be there with a table cooking up these goodies. Other people will be there, like Thomas DeLauer with no shirt on.
I'm sure.
He'll be there, you know, and girls be flocking around, they'll be doing signatures or whatever. Anyway, I've digressed back into the woods. Potatoes, you can't have them. You don't want to have them.
They
Why?
turn straight to sugar.
Sugar, starches, okay? But guess what?
You want potato salad.
I love...
Especially in the summer.
Right, because guess what's coming up? We just went through Memorial Day. That was a big grilling holiday. The biggest grilling holiday is coming up next month, 4th of July. What's on every table, picnic table, 4th of July? Hot dogs, hamburgers, potato salad. What's a keto friend gonna do?
They're gonna make Fauxtato salad.
Fauxtato salad. And that's gonna be copyright. We're gonna have to copyright that.
Okay.
I guess. Fauxtato salad. Now, is there anything you want to add about how you made this, or how you came up with this?
Look, the first time I made it, well, you know, because you use cauliflower and everything. Cauliflower pizza, cauliflower grits like we made, and we have a link to the video.
Yes, there's a card above us that shows you how to make grits.
Everything. Well,
let me say this because you're talking about cauliflower. Before I started a ketogenic lifestyle, I don't think I ever ate cauliflower. Ever. Hated it. I mean, why eat it?
The only time
it had no purpose in my life.
We would eat it like in a bag of mixed vegetables that we would buy.
Yeah, and that's because I didn't know it was in there.
Well, I mean, you knew it was in there. It's like
in the back of my mind,
you probably picked around it, actually.
Probably so. Yeah. But I had no use for it. Had no purpose in my life.
Yeah.
But now
it's our best friend.
It's another story.
Yeah.
So anyway, go ahead. Sorry about
That's okay. And so the first time I made it, Byron did not like it at all.
Wow.
He said it was wet.
I mean, it tastes like I was eating sloppy rags.
It was
dishwater.
Bad. Because with cauliflower, it's hard to get all of the water out of it.
Yeah, there's a lot of water in cauliflower.
Because it's made a lot out of water, and then it absorbs the water. Like if you boil it, and like we do make a lot of times ranch cauliflower mashed potatoes. We call it mashed potatoes. It's actually mashed potatoes.
Mashed potatoes.
Anyway, we use that. We drain it with a cheesecloth. We'll sit there and just get all the water out of it. And then we'll add, like, you know, bacon and cheese and junk like that into it.
Yeah, the good stuff that you would put on a potato anyway.
But with potato salad, you can't really drain it because you're going to have mashed potatoes or mashed cauliflower.
Right.
So you can't drain it.
It'll be like your mashed potatoes.
Yeah. So I made it without draining it the first time, and it was very juicy.
Yeah. Wet socks.
The kids ate it, but Byron did not like it. Well, so now I figured out a way to be able to get the water out of it and make it yummy deliciousness.
Here's the thing. With Susan and the way she has, because I didn't like the wet rag sock potatoes, Fauxtatos, Susan gets in there and figures out a way to make it work. So a ketogenic lifestyle for us has been trial and error. You gotta experiment with stuff until you get it the way you want it, or get it the way, you know, everybody's gonna like it in your family.
Yeah.
So it's been a process, and hopefully you'll learn from this process too, because she's going to show you how to do it.
Yeah, the first time you would have watched the video, you would not wanted to have tried it. It was, yeah. So we didn't video that. I'll usually try it out first. Some videos we do, I don't try it out. I'll just find a recipe and go, this will work, and I'll do it.
Yeah.
But stuff like
I made brownies the other day. I didn't make a video. Why? Because I wanted to eat them now.
Yeah, and they were amazing.
Maybe I will make a video. Show you how to make brownies.
I was having a moment of, I need a sweet bread. You know, that time of the month and all. So he came in here and made brownies. What?
Yeah.
Women go through it.
Okay.
Men know that women go through it. Anyway.
Estrogen. Okay, let's get cooking.
Okay, and for today's recipe, we have about 5 cups of chopped cauliflower, 1 small Vidalia onion, 1 cup of homemade mayonnaise, and we'll put a card to the link of how to make that, 4 chopped eggs, 1/2 cup of, we use Dill salad cubes, and salt to taste.
Okay, guys, as you saw in the video, this was just prepared, and I just showed you up close. Now, it looks like potato salad. Okay, so probably you know how companies will make fake food.
Oh yeah, Elmer's glue.
Yeah,
for
yeah.
milk
So
and
that looks like potato salad right there, but it's real because we're gonna eat it.
And the main thing is to cook the cauliflower. First of all, we steam the cauliflower to get it cooked 1 minute in the Instapot. And then to get all of the water out of it, you cook it just over a pan over heat, just to get all the water out of it. And so now we're gonna taste it.
Okay, here we go.
The piggy
Do you want to go first, or?
I'll let you go first.
Okay, here. Fauxtatos. Okay. I get it. I get it. I get it. I get it. Okay, so first of all, when you put it in your mouth, your brain is expecting potato salad, number one. So if you're not ready for that, you're gonna get tricked. Now it's not as.
I don't know what that means.
What? What? You don't know what that means? I can't because I'll spit.
Okay.
You don't know what that means? Your brain's thinking potato salad,
Okay.
and it's not potato salad. So, for instance, a lot of people make potato salad with these large cubes.
The big chunks of potato.
Yeah, you've seen them at Walmart, big chunks of potatoes. And a lot of people will make them with very small potatoes.
But you like it smushy.
Yeah, a little smushy. Yeah, a little smushy. Now,
And that's why it's perfect.
and Susan used to potato salad. You'd put mustard in yours, so it'd have a yellow tint.
Oh, yeah.
So maybe that's something to incorporate here. But everything that I tasted the same that I would have in a potato salad. The onions, you got relish.
Yes.
Relish in there. What else we got? I got something else in eggs. Okay, so the cauliflower was just kicking it up and reminding you, hey, you don't have a potato, but you got something better.
It's good.
You got something better.
And there again, the kids love it. And that's usually, I mean, that's what's important. I don't know, that sounds crazy, but the kids, getting them to eat good, healthy food and getting them to eat vegetables, it's perfect.
Yeah.
It's not potato salad.
It's not potato salad, but it's
salad.
Fauxtato salad. And you can just, look, you got to grab it, I'm going to own it, and I'm going to love it. That's what you got to do. And I don't care what anybody else says. Hey, that don't taste like potato salad. This is it's nasty. Fauxtato salad. So take that to the bank. Hey, that's the video, guys. Appreciate you watching. If you like this video and you're gonna make this at home, please leave some comments down below. Please like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And remember, until next time, keep it Fauxtato. Now that's a good one.
No.